Hey. Clerk said they should be bringing Cole up in a few minutes. Did you talk to him this morning?
So, just gotta get a minute or two before they take him to wherever they are taking. I'm not really sure what's happening today.
Well, according to Nora, Cole waived his rights to a preliminary arraignment. So they call this an expedited guilty plea hearing.
Okay, so he's pleading guilty to what exactly?
All right, well, they're working that out right now. I mean, the best case scenario is Cole doesn't do any jail time.
I'm so worried for him. I can't believe he allowed himself to get this angry and lose control like that.
Yeah, well, Manning drives people to do strange things.
Yes. Yeah, but I need to take responsibility for this, too.
You?
I set this in motion. I set this whole thing in motion by coming back here. I did. Cole and I could have stayed in California.
Wait a minute. You didn't cause this.
Not directly, no. But I had other options. Instead of making a fresh start, I chose to come back here and put us in a situation that was full of complications, not just for me, but for Cole, too. And now he's paying for those mistakes.
You got pushed down a flight of stairs. How is this your fault?
It's not.
No, it's not. It was a crime. When Manning gets out of the hospital, he's going to prison.
I don't really care about that anymore. I don't. I just care about my son. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I just hate seeing you like this.
You think maybe we could lose the case?
Sure.
Thank you. You all right?
Well, I was going to ask you that.
I'm fine.
Mom, you just got out of the hospital, okay? Thanks. You should be home resting.
I'm not talking about me. Come here. That had to have been the longest night of your life. Did you get through it okay?
Well, I had help.
Excuse me, what kind of help? Aww, it's beautiful.
Star brought it for me last night. I was hoping she'd be here.
Oh, honey, it's still early. She's probably on her way.
Yeah, probably.
The traffic was pretty bad this morning, so maybe Star's caught in that.
Or maybe she's just not coming.
Why wouldn't she?
You know, she has her mind made up. She chose her dad, not me.
What about the eyewitness?
Star thinks that she's still lying.
Why? What reason would Hannah have to lie?
No reason. You know, Star's positive that she just, made it up so that she can just break us up, so that she can have me for herself.
So Star's completely convinced that Todd is innocent?
Yeah, Todd is innocent, and everything that Hannah said, she made up for no reason.
Is there any possibility Star could be right?
Are you seriously suggesting that Hannah could be the one who's lying?
We all want to put Manning away, but it has to be by the book. We have to consider every angle.
How's this for an angle? He had motive, he had opportunity, and someone saw him push me. Just because Star doesn't happen to believe her.
Star is never going to believe anyone that says that her dad did it.
Star's been defending her father for so long, it's second nature. Doesn't mean he's innocent.
He's guilty. Okay, we have an eyewitness. No matter what Star says, Hannah has no reason to lie.
Okay, we're not going to focus on Todd right now. Today is about you, Cole. I've met with your attorney, and once he gets here and we hammer out some specifics, the goal is to keep you out of jail, if at all possible.
Thanks.
Oh, don't thank me until we hear what the judge has to say.
Come here. Come here.
Daybrook.
Yes.
I'm Philip Shaw. I'm an associate of Elijah Clark's, and he's asked me to represent your son here today.
I don't understand. Where's Eli?
Oh, well, unfortunately, he was unavoidably detained by another court, but he's already worked out all the particulars with the DA, so I'm simply here to say yes, Your Honor.
Really? That's all you have to do?
I'm sorry. I know this is unnerving, but I have no reason to believe that this case will go anything but completely smoothly. If you excuse me, I have to take a moment to confer with counsel.
Oh, okay.
DA Hannah?
Yeah, hi. Hi.
So you got Eli's call.
Yes, I did. It's nice to know that Judge Fitzwater can still keep us lawyers on our toes.
So Eli's apprised me of all the details.
Yeah. And there's an agreement. Simple assault.
2 years probation. Problem?
That's very lenient. I don't think the judge is going to go for that.
Like Eli likes to say, go big or go home.
Yeah. Good luck with that. And keeping in mind that the defendant was not in possession of a weapon at the time of the incident, the district attorney's office is willing to reduce the charges to simple assault.
Well, weapon or no weapon, the defendant caused serious bodily harm. Enough to put the victim in the hospital, if I'm not mistaken.
There's a question of intent, Your Honor. Without a lethal weapon, it's not clear whether my client's actions were premeditated.
And which is why, after a lengthy conversation with counsel for the defense, we are willing to agree to a lesser charge.
Well, I'm not.
Excuse me?
I won't allow this plea bargain.